My favorite book. A book is a magical thing that lets you travel to faraway places without ever leaving your chair. Books are wonderful blessing. The role of books in human life is vital, dominant and undeniable. Books are as important as any other basic need of life. It is a fact that books are storehouse of knowledge. Everyone read books according to their taste. I am also fond of reading books. Books not only give enjoyment but also leave a deeper impression on the mind of the reader. I have read a good number of novels, dramas, short stories and poetry books. Luckily, a large number of books are stacked in our family library. Their sweet company has made me a true book lover. Books are the most precious companies. The book that I have read many times and would always love to read is the Holy Quran. I read it several times and never get bored. If a book is well written, I always find it too short. I like the Holy Quran the most. It is a heavenly book. The Holy Quran was revealed to the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Basically, it is in Arabic language, but is translated to almost every language in the world. It is called the Book of Allah. Some books are to be tasted, others are to be swallowed and some to be chewed and digested. The Holy Quran is my favorite book because I always get peace of mind after reciting it. The topic of Holy Quran is human. I recite it with its Urdu translation to get a better understanding of its meaning. There is a lot of information in it. Every Muslim has a firm belief in it. It tells us about this life and the life hereafter. The Holy Quran is a complete code of life. One can find a solution to every social, economic, moral and religious problem. It deals with the worldly affairs and also with the affairs of the world hereafter. It gives us complete guidance. There are clear instructions about our life in the Holy Quran. Every aspect of our life has been discussed in detail and in a logical way. Its teachings are very valuable. In Surah Yusuf, verse number 111, Allah Himself gives the definition of Quran. The Quran is not a forged statement, but a confirmation of Allah's existing books, which were before it. That is the Torah, the Engl and other scriptures of Allah, and a detailed explanation of everything and a guide and a mercy for the people who believe. Usually the book is read only once or twice, but the Holy Quran is read again and again. It is the only book which a large number of people have learned by heart. They recite it during their prayers and especially during the holy month of Ramadan. Without books, there would be no history. There could be no concept of humanity. The Holy Quran gives us guidance about both the worlds. It tells us what reward we can get if we do good deeds and what punishments can be for bad deeds. So it proves a great help in character building. It makes us a good Muslim as well as a good human being. It guides us to live a good life here. Once you have read a book you care about, some part of it is always with you. The Holy Quran is not only for an individual or nation, but for whole humanity. It is for everyone. It is for believers as well for the non-believers. It brings revolution in man's life. Surely the Holy Quran is a unique book. Books plays an important role in our life. I can say that one book may be good from one point of view and another may be good from other point of view. But the Holy Quran is such a book which is good in every way. It is the best source of information and a perfect guide for me. I always love to read it. In short, words fail to justify the grace and the place of Holy Quran as a book. We will get rewarded for reciting and listening to the Holy Quran, as in the verse of Quran. So when the Quran is recited, then listen to it and pay attention that you may receive mercy.